If you're thinking about buying the JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds because of their bold promise of up to 50 hours of playback and IP68 waterproof rating, hold on, because there's a catch you might not expect. But here's what surprised me. Despite all the hype around durability and sound, these earbuds actually stumble where it counts most. You've probably seen the glowing Amazon reviews and the slick marketing buzz about JBL's pure bass, but the real story, it's a mixed bag, and I'm here to unpack everything you need to know before spending a dime. So, stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly whether these are the earbuds to power your workouts or just another overhyped gadget gathering dust. First off, who are the JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds for? If you're an active person, maybe a runner or gym rat who demands earbuds that can not only keep up but also survive sweat, dust, and occasional rainstorms, these promise to be your perfect training partner. They tout a watertight IP68 rating, meaning they should withstand 30 minutes submerged in 1.5 meters of water. So battering your buds in the pool or a heavy downpour shouldn't faze them. Plus, the twist-lock ear hook enhancer is designed to keep the fit comfortable and secure no matter how intense your routine gets. So the concept is spot on for fitness fanatics craving wireless freedom. But here's the twist. While JBL's pure bass sound is punchy with a 10 dynamic driver delivering bold audio, it's not all sunshine and sweatbands. Let me share the first shocker. While they claim up to 10 hours of battery life per charge and 40 more hours in the case, real-world tests show the earbuds barely hit those numbers consistently. You might expect marathon-length playback for your cross-country runs, but instead, you get roughly 7 to 8 hours before hunting for a charger. It's like expecting to run a 10K but ending up sprinting a 5K then limping back. Not terrible, but that gap could slip under your radar when you're in the zone. And while the speed charge is a nice feature, 10 minutes of charging gives you roughly an hour of playtime. It's a bit of a patch rather than a full solution. On the design front, while the IP68 rating sounds impressive and true enough, the earbud's microphone performance stumbles in windy environments. JBL packs a 4-mic setup with dual beamforming mics in each ear to ensure crisp calls, even on bike trails or noisy gyms. However, actual user feedback frequently reports muffled calls outdoors when wind picks up, which dampens the supposed communication clarity JBL boasts about. If you're someone who takes calls mid-run or pushes heavy pedals in gusty conditions, this might be a deal-breaker. Imagine trying to have a serious conversation when your earbuds sound like a blender. Definitely not ideal. Now let's talk about fit and comfort, because you can't work out with sore, falling earbuds. Here, the twist-lock ear hook enhancer really does live up to its name. The ear hooks curve naturally, gripping your ears securely while allowing some flex. Many users find that the earbuds stay put during running, jumping, or cycling, which is absolutely crucial. However, comfort can fluctuate depending on ear shape, so if you have particularly small or sensitive ears, this may not be your dream fit. In fact, I read one reviewer joke that they felt like they were trying to wear tiny cuddly snakes wrapped snugly in their ears. Cute, but slightly unsettling. Pro tip: give them a trial run before committing completely. Since we're talking sound, here's where JBL loves to brag with its trademark pure bass technology backed by a 10 dynamic driver. The bass indeed has more punch than your typical workout earbuds, giving your playlist a solid oomph in the gym. But sound quality takes hits elsewhere, especially in mids and highs, which tend to get somewhat muddy or washed out. Think of it like a pizza loaded with extra pepperoni but missing the cheese and sauce. The bass satisfies some cravings, yet leaves you longing for balance. For audiophiles or those used to crystal clear sound, this might sound like sacrilege. The earbuds tend to favor bass over all else, meaning some types of music won't sound their best. If you crave nuanced details in your tunes, you might be left wanting. Another fascinating feature is JBL's ambient aware, and talk-through modes aimed at safety and convenience. Ambient aware lets you stay alert to your environment, critical if you're running in urban areas or near traffic, while talk-through quickly lowers your music volume so you can engage with others without removing earbuds. These sound like must-haves for active lifestyles, and to JBL's credit, the tech works as advertised. Hands-free calling is decent when in quiet environments thanks to the 4-mic array. But just like in the wind, if the surroundings get noisy or chaotic, these modes become less effective, turning from helpful tools into optional gimmicks. Still, it's a nice thoughtful inclusion, especially if you value situational awareness on the move. Durability-wise, these earbuds hold up well under sweat, dust, and light impacts. They are built to survive the dustiest trails or sweatiest gym sessions, which fits their marketing perfectly. The casing feels tough, and the carrying case also doubles as a fast charger with the promise of those 40 additional hours. However, a handful of users reported occasional connectivity issues mid-workout, random dropouts, or subtle audio glitches that disrupted their experience. Nothing catastrophic, but enough to be an annoyance, especially if you're listening to that final set and suddenly they cut out. Bluetooth stability can make or break a wireless earbud experience, and here the JBL Endurance Peak 3 falls just short of perfection. On the note of comparisons, you might wonder how these stack up against other top-tier sports earbuds. While they beat many budget options on waterproofing and battery life, some rivals offer clearer calls, crisper sound, or more comfortable fits at similar price points. JBL's brand trust and sound signature give it a leg up, but if you're prioritizing call quality or audiophile listening during workouts, you may want to look elsewhere, or at least test these carefully before buying. Think of it as choosing a workout buddy, great for some things but not a flawless champion in every round. By the way, a quick joke break. Why did the earbud go to therapy? Because it couldn't handle all the rejection signals. Okay, I promise I'll ease up on the dad jokes as we wrap up. So, what's the final verdict on JBL Endurance Peak 3? They are definitely solid contenders for anyone needing rugged earbuds with a bass-heavy sound signature and extended battery life that can last most of the day. They excel in comfort. Most users agree they stay put during intense movements and have valuable features like talk-through and ambient aware that add safety and convenience. But they falter where it matters most. Inconsistent battery longevity, subpar call quality in windy outdoor settings, and less than stellar sound balance outside the bass zone. The connectivity hiccups also mean they're not perfect. If these issues don't bother you and JBL sound style suits your ear, they could be the earbuds that keep up with your workouts and musical passion. In summary, if you want solid durability, deep bass, and a secure fit without breaking the bank, JBL Endurance Peak 3 deserves consideration. Just temper expectations on call clarity and battery, and prepare to keep a charger or backup ready for longer days. These earbuds aren't flawless, but for the price, they pack a punch suitable for most active lifestyles. Before I let you go, here's a final quick joke. Why don't skeletons ever get to keep their earbuds? Because they can't keep their ears on. Alright, maybe one more. What kind of music do earbuds hate? Static. Okay, I'm out. If you want to check out the JBL Endurance Peak 3 for yourself, I've included the best price link on Amazon down in the description below. Grab them there and see if they can be the energetic workout buddy you've been searching for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews that save your wallet and your workouts. Keep moving, keep vibing, and I'll see you in the next one.